The Craftex CX series CX509N is an open-end 18-inch drum sander which offers excellent versatility to any small to medium-sized workshop. This unit features a large sanding capacity at 36 inches wide and 4.5 inches thick. Electronic variable speed allows you to adjust the speed depending on your project. A key feature to the sander is the table moves up and down instead of the head. Unlike most open-ended sanders on the market, this means sanding operations are more consistent and rigid. Ideal for flattening and smoothing wide panels, the CX509N reduces thickness without grain tear out on a wide range of woods. With a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor, this sander will allow you to handle larger jobs in a smaller footprint while still giving you the power and speed you're looking for. Backed by a 3-year warranty and Canada's largest parts department. Only at Busy Bee Tools.